Good evening from London. The blue chip FTSE 100 rose 0.5% today, hitting a new all-time high. The index has been up for 8 of the past 9 sessions and has climbed over 3% in the last week, up just under 6% since the end of 2023. In London, insurance company Prudential was among the best performers, gaining 2.8% following the news that Hong Kong-based pensions and life insurance group AIA upped its share buyback program from $10 billion to $12 billion. The Japanese yen has strongly rebounded after hitting its weakest level in 34 years, causing speculation of an intervention by national authorities. The currency dropped to 160.245 yen per dollar at opening before changing direction to 155.01 yen. Trade sources have reported that Japanese banks were selling dollars for yen. Earlier this month, the nation's finance minister raised concerns over the yen's decline to US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen. Analysts say that the yen will continue to weaken, contributed by the US Federal Reserve's decision to delay interest rate cuts. The Australian Securities Exchange is anticipated to green-light its first spot Bitcoin ETF by the end of the year. This comes after the US's SEC approved multiple Bitcoin ETFs earlier this year, listing in national exchanges across the country, including the NASDAQ, NYCE and CBOE. In mid-April, Hong Kong conditionally approved its first spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF, a move which saw the first embracing of cryptocurrencies in the Asia-Pacific region. A spokesperson for Australian Exchange said it's still engaged with multiple issuers on the matter. Billionaire Reinhold Geiger is close to making an offer to take the skincare company L'Occitane private, a deal that could value the firm at around $7 billion. Blackstone and Goldman Sachs Asset Management are reportedly involved in the deal. Geiger, who is the chairman of L'Occitane, already owns more than 70% of the company, which was last valued at around $5.6 billion. He is currently considering an offer for the Hong Kong-listed firm's shares he does not already own. However, talks are still ongoing. And those are your main stories from London at close of business.